So good morning everyone. So in last class we have completed our exercise 1. So now we are talking about this area of parallelogram. So how to find the area of a parallelogram we will see. So I am drawing one parallelogram here. This is what? This is a parallelogram. So for this parallelogram I want to find the area of this. So I want to find the area of this. So how to find the area? So already we know area of a rectangle formula. So what is area of a rectangle formula? Area of rectangle is equals to, we know that length into breadth. Okay. So in this is a base value and from here to here it is height. Okay. So this is a base value and this is height value. So how to find area of a parallelogram? So now I have taking out this part. I am cutting this part. So how the figure will be in this order? The figure will be in this order. So I am taking out this part and I am attaching here. I am attaching here. So what it became now? It has been formed a rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle formula? Already we know that is L into B. Okay. So now what is the area of a parallelogram formula? Area of a parallelogram is equals to area of rectangle. We know that. Okay. Area of a parallelogram will be equals to area of rectangle. But in rectangle this value will be length and this value will be breadth. Okay, so this value will be length and this value will be breadth. But in this parallelogram, this part will be a base. The length will be equals to base now. The length value will be equals to base and this breadth value is equals to here height. So what is the area of a parallelogram formula? That is base into height. So area of a parallelogram and area of a rectangle are same, but we will consider the length value as base value and the breadth value as height value, because this height has been, we have taken out this height and we have attached here. Okay, so area of a parallelogram formula is what? Base into height. So on this formula we are going to start our exercise 2 now. So already we know that now what is the area of a parallelogram? Area of a parallelogram is base into height. Now on this we are starting our exercise 2. So exercise 2 here. So first bit. Exercise 2, first bit. What is the first bit? Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. They have given some different parallelograms. We have to find the area of that. So first one is what? The figure is in this way. Okay. So this dotted line is height and this dotted line is perpendicular to this part. So this is a base. So base value they have given 7 centimeters and height value they have given as 4 centimeters. So by seeing this figure we have to find area of a parallelogram now. So area of parallelogram is equals to, what is area of a parallelogram formula? Base into height. So area of a parallelogram is equals to what is the base value? This is the base. So what is the value they have given? That is 7 centimeters into height value they have given as 4 centimeters. So what is the area of a parallelogram? Area of a parallelogram is equals to 7 fours are 28. Centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter square. So this is our first bit. Second bit now. So here it is forming, perpendicular line is forming here. So what is the base value here? Base is 5 centimeters and here height is 3 centimeters. Okay. So now find formula. Area of parallelogram formula is what? Base into height. So area is equals to base value is 5 centimeters, height value is 3 centimeters. That is 5 3s are 15. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So you got area of a parallelogram value as 15 centimeter square. So next one. Now they have given in reverse order. Okay. So now what is height value? Where they have given the dotted lines, that will be equals to height. So this is height, and where you are getting the perpendicular line, that will be equals to base now. So here it is 5.1 centimeters and here it is 7.6 centimeters. So opposite sides will be equal in parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. So if it is 5.1 centimeters, here also it will be 5.1 centimeters. So now you have the height value as well as base value. So area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. So area is equals to, what is the base value? Base value is 5.1 centimeters into height value is how much? 7.6 centimeters. So if you multiply this, you will get it as 38.76 centimeter square. So here you got the area value as 38.76 centimeter square. So last one in this first bit. The figure is like this. This is a height. Here they have given 6 centimeters and here it is 4 centimeters. Again we have to find the area here. So area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. So what is the base value? 4 centimeters and height is 6 centimeters. So area is equals to 4 centimeters into 6 centimeters. So area is equals to 4 6 24. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So this is area is equals to 24 centimeter square. So this is our first bit, only finding the areas of given figures. What is area of a parallelogram? That is base into height. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and area of a square is what? Side into side. So these are the 4 formulas we have learned till now. So in that second question. So see here. Here they have given 2 height values and 2 base values. So this is the figure. So in this you are having 2 bases and 2 heights. Okay. So this is the height for this base and this is the height for this base. So what is the question? PQRS is a parallelogram. PM is a height P to SR and PN is a height from P to QR. So here RM is a height for SR and RN is a height for QR. Okay. So next is, if SR is equals to 12 centimeters, if SR is 12 centimeters, and PM is equals to 7.6 centimeters. What we have to find the area of a parallelogram PQRS. So we have to find first area of this parallelogram. So for finding the area of parallelogram, you want the base value as well as height value. So where you are seeing base and height values together. So this is a height value we know, and this is the base value that also we know. So by using these two measurements, we can find area of a parallelogram. So now from figure PQRS, so what we are taking, we know that SR is equals to 12 centimeters, that is base 1. Okay, so I am taking this part as base 1, and also we know that PM is equals to, and also we know that PM is equals to 7.6 centimeters, that is I am taking height 1. Okay, so and this one is base 2 and this is height 2. We will talk about that later. So now what we are finding? We are finding area of parallelogram. So what is area of a parallelogram formula? That is base into height. Okay, so what is area? Area is equals to base value is how much? That is B1 H1. So B1 is 12 centimeters into H1 is 7.6 centimeters. Now you can multiply this. So 12 into 7.6. 12 into 7.6 will be 91.2 centimeters square. So if you multiply that, two values, you will get it as 91.2 centimeters square. So this is our first bit. Okay, we have to find the area of parallelogram. Next is what? Find PN. We have to find this PN value. If QR is equals to 8 centimeters, this QR value they have given as 8 centimeters. So we know the base value now. Height we have to find, and also we know the area value. By using this area and B2 value, you can find the H2 value. So how to find that we will see. So already we know that area is equals to 91.2 centimeters and base 2 they have given as, base 2 value they have given as 8 centimeters. We have to find H2 value. Okay, so we have to find H2 value. So what is area of a parallelogram formula? Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. So area of a parallelogram we know it as 91.2 centimeters square. So 91.2 centimeters square is equals to base 2. Base 2 is how much? 8 centimeters, and H2 we have to find. Okay, now I am transposing this 8 centimeters to other side. So what it becomes? It will be converted into division. So H2 is equals to 91.2 centimeters square by 8 centimeters. So centimeter will get cancelled. I am removing the point from here. So if I remove the point, in down you will get 1 0, because after point we are having only single digit. So we can write here 912 by 80. So we can write 912 by 80 because we are having, after point you are having only one digit. So if you remove the point, in down we can add 1 0. Okay. So now I am cancelling this in 2 table. So we can cancel in 4 table also. 4 20s are, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, so 3 will be remaining. 4 8s are 32. Okay, now you got it as 2 to 8 by 20. Okay, now we can cancel in 2 table. 2 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So you got as 114 by 10. So in down, if you divide these two, the value will be 11.4 centimeters. That means the height value you got it as 11.4 centimeters. Therefore, height 2 is equals to 11.4 centimeters. So this is our H2 value. Okay, so once I can see, so in this figure they have given two heights and two base values. So this is a height 1, this is base 1, this is height 2 and this is base 2. So now what we have to find? We have to find the area of a parallelogram. So for finding area of a parallelogram, you want both base value as well as height value. So in this figure, where you are seeing both base and height together, we have to see. So here you are seeing the base value as well as height value. So by seeing these two values, by using these two values, we have to find area of a parallelogram. So what is area of a parallelogram? Base 1 into height 1. So base 1 is, what is the base 1? 12 centimeters and height 1 is 7.6 centimeters. So if you multiply this, the answer will be, the area will be 91.2 centimeters square. So now you got area value. Now coming to next bit. So they have given, they told to find H2 value. This height we have to find. And for this height, what is the base? This is the base. And this base value they have given as 8 centimeters. Okay. So by using the base 2 and this area, we have to find this height now. Okay. So area they have given as, we got it as 91.2 centimeters. Base 2 they have given as 8 centimeters. Height 2 we are finding. Okay. Now area of a parallelogram is base 2 into height 2. That is base into height. So base value is 8 centimeters. Height we don't know. Area of a parallelogram I wrote here. Now transpose the terms. 8 centimeters if you transpose, that will be converted into division. Centimeter will get cancelled. So what is the remaining term here? 91.2. I am removing the point. You will get 1 0 in denominator. Just divide this, you will get it as 11.4 centimeters. So height 2 value you got it as 11.4 centimeters. Okay. So this is our second solution. So remaining solutions we will continue in next class. Thank you.